Here's your Storm Tracker weather forecast with meteorologist Mike Hurd.
Here's the next weather maker. Long fetch of moisture with this. It extends down close to the Hawaiian Islands, is lifting up and over a high pressure ridge, pushing into western Canada, and that's going to roll over into Montana. So that's a day or two away, but it will bring some increasing snow showers beginning Wednesday. Right now we got this low pressure system that brought the widespread snow to southwest Montana. Sunday is now dived down towards northern Utah and extending off into Colorado. That's where a lot of winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories continue to play out across the Central Rockies. But back here at home, we got the next weather maker setting up Wednesday afternoon through Friday morning. Now, 4 to 7,000 foot level, National Weather Service is saying there could be around 6 to 12 inches of snow. That includes Bozeman. And above that, higher elevations could pick up 1 to 2 feet. There's going to be some localized gusty winds around 40 miles per hour. It's going to cause some blowing snow. Now, this watch does not include Dillon and it does not include Townsend, but pretty much everyone else, you can expect to see some moderate to heavy snow. Now, the Butte Blackfoot region, not under any winter weather highlights yet. There's likely to be some in the next 24 hours, and again, they'll kick into on Wednesday. There's also some high wind concerns out in the Livingston area ahead of this storm, and winds there could be gusting to 60 miles per hour beginning tomorrow night. So as you look at the TrueView high-resolution model, not much to show you here in your Tuesday forecast. It looks mostly dry, but Wednesday morning into Wednesday afternoon, this is the leading edge of the storm that's diving down into Montana from the northwest. This is going to bring some widespread moderate to heavy snow at times, and our snowfall numbers are going way up beginning Wednesday afternoon. But I think Thursday is going to be the day for some heavy snow, especially in the Bozeman area. But Big Sky could pick up 18 to 24 inches of snow by the time we get into noon on Thursday. This model showing that there could be around 6 to 8 inches in Bozeman. But again, some areas will see minimal impact. So this is going to be a tricky storm for snow totals for some areas, but it could be a big whopper for others, and big travel headaches are expected. It's going to be a hard time for newborn livestock as well, and just a harsh winter weather pattern to endure. 22 degrees right now, mostly clear skies in Butte, and looks like a beautiful early evening, but cold in Bozeman, sitting at 17 degrees under mostly clear skies. We're the cold spot right now. We got a mix of teens and 20s, but there are some 30s, and it actually did warm up in the 40s today around Lewistown, but the numbers are a little bit warmer outside of our viewing area. Tonight, 15 below for Wisdom under clear skies. Everyone else in the very, very low single digits. Tomorrow, it's going to be a cold day. 20s, maybe a few lower 30s. These are well below normal for this time of the year, but it should be a dry day, good travel weather. Lows here tonight, lots of single digits and maybe some teens below zero and a few single digits and teens above. So it's going to be a colder night, and tomorrow teens, 20s, and 30s are in there for daytime highs. So take a look at the extended forecast. So this is a two-part storm. First one is a slower moving storm Wednesday afternoon. Definitely heavy snow on Thursday, snow likely into Friday morning, then a break Friday night, and then a fast-paced disturbance moves through on Saturday. That's going to bring another quick shot of snow, but it's also going to drag in some colder air. So temperatures are quite mixed for the Bozeman area, but the bigger concerns are for traveling on Thursday. For Butte, your extended forecast has increasing snow Wednesday, and snow likely to be light to moderate Thursday into Friday. Another quick shot of snow on your Saturday, and again, highly varied temperatures. For Dillon, a little bit of snow is possible. Right now, it's low impacts for accumulations, but there could be enough snow to wet roadways and cause some icing, and there definitely could be some blowing snow conditions down over Monida Pass Wednesday, Thursday, and into Friday. In West Yellowstone, you could be looking at some moderate to heavy snow, especially Thursday into Friday, and it will taper Friday evening, then another quick shot moving in on Saturday. And again, up and down temperatures, they're all over the place, so quite the interesting temperature forecast for the next 7 days.
All right, thanks, Mike. Dom Tibbetts is in with sports and Super Bowl fallout. Let's call it that.
You might call it that, but a really cool moment last night in the mining city as the family of Mike Person watched Super Bowl 54. I've got that story next.